The NuWave Smart Mug will brew all your favorite warm beverages in the convenience of a battery-powered mug. To power on the mug when it is off the charging base, press and hold NuWave on the cup. To power it on when the mug is on the charging base, you can press and hold NuWave on the cup, or you can tap NuWave on the charging base. To power off the mug, the same instructions can be used as well. To scroll through the LED display, tap NuWave on the mug. There are 4 main displays to toggle through on the mug: the current temperature, the target temperature, the timer function, and the battery level. The mug is also able to detect if there is liquid in the cup. If you try to use any of the functions without any liquid inside, the mug will show empty on the display. To use different modes of the Smart Mug, make sure the mug is on the charging base. The hot and warm modes are designed to maintain the temperature of your drink. These modes will keep your beverage warm or hot for as long as needed. The warm function will keep the temperature at 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Tap hot, and the mug will bring the temperature to 150 degrees. The mug also comes with 5 preset brewing modes on the charging base. Coffee will brew the liquid at 200 degrees for 4 minutes. Green tea will brew the liquid at 175 degrees for 2 minutes. And black tea will brew the liquid at 205 degrees for 3 minutes. To adjust the target temperature, tap NuWave until the display shows a temperature with 2 arrows. Use the up or down arrow to adjust the target temperature. While off the charging base, the mug can maintain a minimum temperature of 70 degrees Fahrenheit and a maximum temperature of 150 degrees. The timer feature adjusts based on the mug's position. While on the charging base, the timer operates as a brew timer for coffee, green, and black modes set in minutes and seconds. While off the charging base, the timer controls how long the mug maintains your preferred temperature, set in hours and minutes. Use the arrows to adjust the time. Press and hold the arrows for a faster adjustment. The minimum time the mug will maintain temperature is 1 hour, and the maximum time is up to 12 hours, or when the battery dies. To mute the device, place the mug on the charging base and hold the brew button until 2 beeps are heard. To unmute, repeat the same steps. The lock feature will disable the button functionality on the mug, preventing unintentional target temperature changes. To lock the device, navigate to the target temperature on the display. Then, press and hold NuWave and the up arrow simultaneously until 2 beeps are heard and lock is shown on the display. To unlock the mug, repeat the same process. Precision Warm Mode is designed to quickly and accurately heat liquids to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. To set up Precision Warm Mode while the mug is on the charging base, press and hold Warm and Hot. When the device is off the charging base, navigate to the target temperature display and then press and hold NuWave and the down arrow. To brew coffee in the Smart Mug, first put coffee grounds in the included filter. Next, place the filter onto the mug. Slowly pour boiling water into the mug through the filter until it fills to the top. Press coffee, and then brew, and the timer will begin on the display. Place the lid over the filter as the coffee brews. When the countdown finishes, carefully remove the filter lid and filter. Warning: After the brewing function is complete, the rim of the mug will be very hot and dangerous to touch. It is recommended to allow the mug to cool down to a comfortable temperature before handling. If in a hurry and the mug is still hot, take the mug lid and carefully place it on top of the mug. For a right-handed orientation, make sure the lid is placed so that the larger opening is directly above the NuWave logo. With your fingertips along the safe edges of the lid, gently push the mug lid down to secure it in place. For better insulation, close the black plastic cap. Be sure to avoid close contact with any of the openings to prevent burns from any excess steam. Secure the lid. Take the mug off the charging base and enjoy freshly brewed coffee on the go. To brew green tea in the Smart Mug, first put green tea in the included filter. Next, place the filter onto the mug. Slowly pour boiling water into the mug through the filter until it fills to the top. Press green and then brew, and the timer will begin on the display. Place the lid over the filter as the tea brews. When the countdown finishes, carefully remove the filter lid and filter. Secure the tea with the mug lid and enjoy freshly brewed green tea on the go. To brew black tea in the Smart Mug, first put black tea in the included filter. Next, place the filter onto the mug. Slowly pour boiling water into the mug through the filter until it fills to the top. Tap black and then brew, and the timer will begin on the display. Place the lid over the filter as the tea brews. When the countdown finishes, carefully remove the filter lid and filter. Secure the tea with the mug lid and enjoy freshly brewed black tea. To warm milk for an infant in the Smart Mug, take your milk or formula and pour it into the mug. Then, set the Smart Mug to warm precision mode, which will warm the milk to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for baby formula, milk, and other delicate drinks, so every sip is safe and comfortable.
NuWave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.